Welcome to our video, where we present the 7 best dinner menus specially designed for diabetes patients. Discover healthy, delicious, and perfectly balanced meal options that not only manage your blood sugar levels but also satisfy your taste buds. Join us as we guide you through these carefully curated recipes, ensuring your evenings are both nutritious and enjoyable. Stay tuned for expert tips and culinary inspiration tailored to your health needs. 1. Grilled salmon with vegetables. In the pursuit of a balanced and health-conscious diet, grilled salmon paired with a medley of fresh vegetables stands out as both a delicious and nutrient-rich option. This dish not only satisfies the palate but also delivers numerous health benefits, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain overall well-being. The main components of this meal include fresh salmon, zucchini, carrots, broccoli, olive oil, minced garlic, and basic seasonings such as salt, pepper, and lemon. To prepare, the salmon is marinated with olive oil, garlic, and seasonings before being grilled to perfection. The vegetables can be lightly sautéed or steamed to retain their natural flavors and nutrient content. Salmon is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. These healthy fats have been linked to improved cardiovascular function and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Meanwhile, the accompanying vegetables provide an array of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. For instance, broccoli is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, while carrots supply beta-carotene for eye health. This combination of protein-packed salmon and fiber-rich vegetables is ideal for those managing blood sugar levels. The balance of macronutrients helps stabilize glucose levels while offering sustained energy. Additionally, the inclusion of olive oil adds a dose of monounsaturated fats, further supporting heart health. Incorporating meals like grilled salmon with vegetables into your diet is a simple yet effective way to nourish your body with wholesome ingredients. Whether you're focused on maintaining a healthy lifestyle or simply enjoying flavorful dishes, this recipe is a perfect fit for any meal plan. 2. Pumpkin and chia seed soup. Pumpkin and chia seed soup is not only a comforting dish but also a powerhouse of nutrients. This simple yet wholesome recipe combines the natural sweetness of pumpkin with the nutritional benefits of chia seeds, making it an excellent choice for a healthy meal. The key ingredients for this dish include pumpkin, onion, garlic, chia seeds, and a blend of spices such as salt, pepper, turmeric, and ginger. Each component contributes to the soup's flavor and health benefits. To prepare the soup, start by cooking pumpkin with onion and garlic until soft. Blend the mixture into a smooth puree to create a creamy base. Once the soup is ready, stir in chia seeds to enhance its texture and nutritional value. Adding chia seeds after cooking ensures that their nutrients remain intact. This soup is packed with health benefits. Pumpkin is rich in dietary fiber and has a low glycemic index, making it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. It is also loaded with vitamins, particularly vitamin A, which supports vision and immune health. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are a well-known superfood. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart and brain health, as well as fiber, which aids digestion and supports gut health. Combined, these ingredients create a dish that is both nourishing and satisfying. Pumpkin and chia seed soup is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can be transformed into a nutritious meal. Whether you're looking to improve your diet or simply enjoy a delicious bowl of soup, this recipe offers a delightful balance of taste and health. 3. Lentil salad with greens. Lentil salad with fresh greens is a simple yet highly nutritious dish that has gained popularity among health-conscious individuals. Combining the wholesome benefits of lentils and fresh vegetables, this salad is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. The core ingredients for this dish include lentils, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and seasonings of your choice. To prepare, start by cooking the lentils until they are tender but still hold their shape. Once cooked, allow them to cool before mixing them with freshly chopped lettuce, diced tomatoes, and sliced cucumbers. For the dressing, a blend of olive oil and apple cider vinegar adds a tangy and refreshing flavor. Season with salt, pepper, or other preferred spices to taste. Lentils are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and dietary fiber. They are particularly beneficial for stabilizing blood sugar levels, making this dish an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or seeking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. The addition of fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers enhances the salad's vitamin and mineral content, contributing to improved digestion and overall health. This lentil salad is not only a quick and easy meal option but also a versatile dish that can be customized with additional ingredients such as herbs, nuts, or seeds. Whether served as a light lunch or a side dish, it offers a satisfying and healthful dining experience. 4. Grilled chicken with sweet potatoes and greens. Incorporating balanced and nutritious meals into your daily routine is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. One such wholesome dish that combines flavor and health benefits is grilled chicken served with sweet potatoes and leafy greens. This simple yet nutritious recipe requires chicken breast, sweet potatoes, and a mix of greens such as broccoli and kale. Olive oil and basic seasonings are used to enhance the flavors. The preparation process is straightforward and time-efficient. Begin by grilling the chicken breast and sweet potatoes until they are cooked through and have a golden, appetizing exterior. Separately, sauté the greens, broccoli and kale, with a small amount of olive oil to retain their crunch and nutritional value. This meal is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Sweet potatoes, known for their low glycemic index, provide a steady source of energy without causing spikes in blood sugar levels. When paired with lean, protein-rich chicken breast, this dish supports muscle repair and sustains energy throughout the day. The addition of nutrient-dense greens like broccoli and kale further enhances the meal's overall nutritional profile, delivering essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In summary, grilled chicken with sweet potatoes and greens is a well-rounded meal that promotes stable blood sugar levels while offering a satisfying combination of flavors and textures. This dish is an excellent choice for those seeking a balanced diet without compromising on taste. 5. Stir-fried beef with vegetables. Stir-fried beef with vegetables is a popular and nutritious dish that combines high-quality protein from lean beef with the vitamins and fiber found in fresh vegetables. This simple yet flavorful recipe is not only easy to prepare but also offers numerous health benefits. The dish requires lean beef, bell peppers, onions, carrots, mushrooms, sesame oil, and essential seasonings such as garlic, ginger, and pepper. These ingredients are widely available and can be easily adjusted to suit individual preferences. To make this dish, start by stir-frying the lean beef until it is tender and cooked to perfection. Add the sliced vegetables, including bell peppers, onions, carrots, and mushrooms, to the pan. Season with garlic, ginger, and a touch of sesame oil for added aroma and flavor. Stir-fry everything together until the vegetables are slightly tender but still retain their crunch. Serve hot as a standalone dish or pair it with steamed rice for a complete meal. The lean beef in this recipe is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall body function. It also provides important nutrients such as iron and zinc. The variety of vegetables adds a rich array of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber to the dish, promoting digestive health and boosting immunity. The use of sesame oil and fresh spices enhances the flavor while keeping the dish light and healthy. This quick and wholesome recipe is perfect for busy individuals seeking a balanced meal that is both satisfying and nutritious. With its vibrant colors and delicious taste, stir-fried beef with vegetables is sure to be a favorite on your dining table. 6. Vegetable and cheese egg roll. For those seeking a nutritious yet flavorful dish, the vegetable and cheese omelette is an excellent choice. This simple recipe combines the goodness of fresh vegetables, protein-rich eggs, and low-fat cheese to create a wholesome meal suitable for any time of the day. Eggs, spinach, mushrooms, low-fat cheese, olive oil. Begin by whisking the eggs in a bowl until they achieve a smooth consistency. Chop fresh spinach and mushrooms into small pieces and mix them with the beaten eggs. Heat a non-stick pan with a small amount of olive oil and pour the egg mixture into the pan. Cook on medium heat until the bottom sets. Add a layer of low-fat cheese on top, then gently fold the omelette in half to enclose the filling. Cook for an additional minute to ensure the cheese melts evenly. Serve hot for the best taste and texture. This dish is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and healthy fats, which help regulate hunger and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Spinach and mushrooms provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting overall health. The use of low-fat cheese keeps the dish light, while still offering a creamy texture and flavor. Olive oil, a heart-healthy fat, enhances the nutritional profile of this meal. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or a satisfying dinner option, this vegetable and cheese omelette is a versatile recipe that supports a balanced diet. 7. Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds. Greek yogurt combined with fresh berries and flax seeds is a simple yet highly nutritious dish that has gained popularity among health enthusiasts. This wholesome combination offers a variety of benefits, making it an excellent choice for breakfast, a snack, or even a light dessert. The ingredients are straightforward: Greek yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, and ground flax seeds. To prepare, simply mix the Greek yogurt with the berries and sprinkle ground flax seeds on top. This quick preparation makes it a convenient option for those with busy schedules. Each component of this dish contributes unique health benefits. Greek yogurt. Known for its high protein content, Greek yogurt supports muscle repair and promotes satiety. It is also a good source of calcium and probiotics, which aid in bone health and digestion. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps combat oxidative stress and supports the immune system. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them ideal for weight management. Flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Additionally, flax seeds provide dietary fiber that promotes healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This combination is not only nutritious but also versatile. It can be customized with other fruits or seeds to suit personal preferences. Its balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber makes it a well-rounded option for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Incorporating Greek yogurt with berries and flax seeds into your diet is an effortless way to enjoy a delicious meal while reaping numerous health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, support heart health, or simply enjoy a refreshing treat, this dish is worth trying. Thank you for joining us as we explored the 7 best dinner menus for diabetes patients. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to make healthier choices and improve your well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and practical advice on living a healthier life. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video.